Hello everyone, my name is Neha and welcome to the course Management Functions and Organizational Processes. I would be your instructor for this course. So this is an introductory video and here you would learn about the objectives of the course. Then you would learn about the course structure, which would include how many blocks are there in this course and how many units are there in each block. Finally, you would be learning about the output of the course, what you'll get at the end of this course, the end result of the learning of the entire course, management functions and organizational process, right? So let's start with the video. So the very first one is what is the objective of this course, management functions and organizational processes. So this course would basically focus on understanding the management and its functions, because in every organization the aim is to uh, maximize the efficiency, and that you can do only when you are able to manage your organization and your people effectively, right? So the course would begin with highlighting the characteristics of management, what are the functions of management, which is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. It may sound overwhelming to you right now, but as we will go with the course, you will get to learn all of those. Then we would get to know about the different perspectives of management from different philosophers and the people who have been there. Scientific management you would learn about, and the different levels of management. So, every organization we see there are different levels of management, top level, middle level, and so on. How the role of manager is changing in the current scenario. So the managerial roles are very different now than it was like times ago, right? So how it is changing would be what you'll learn in this course. Then you will learn about the functions of management, each of them, like how the planning process takes place, how organizing takes place, how to do staffing, how to direct employees, and so on. You will learn about the important elements of all the functions like staffing, controlling. And then we would be concluding by learning about leadership, types of leadership, the styles of leadership, and the organizational structure. It can be formal or informal. So we will be learning all of these in the upcoming few video lectures, right? So that would be the overall objective of this course. Now the course structure. The entire course is divided into 4 blocks. The block 1 is Introduction to Management. Block 2 and 3 are Managerial Processes, and block 4 would be Organizational Processes. And in total, all of these blocks consist of 14 units. So there are 14 units across the 4 blocks, which you will be learning in this course. Okay, so the course output. We all are interested at what we would get as the end result of completing the course, what knowledge we would gain, right? So, upon completion of this course, you will acquire a range of key skills, knowledge, and competencies, which are very important for you to succeed in the field of management, right? The very first one is the leadership skills. So, you all will develop the ability to inspire and guide the teams, because in every organization, you have to work in teams. You cannot work isolately, right? You'll learn how to make decisions and motivate each other, your team members, to achieve the organizational goals. Moving ahead, you would be learning about strategic thinking. You will gain an understanding of how to analyze the complex business situations, because business situations are not as easy as it may sound. There are a lot of complexities involved in it. You learn to how to develop long-term plans and make informed decisions to achieve this competitive advantage. Organizational behavior. In an organization, if you're working, you should be aware of how to behave in the proper manner. So you'll gain insights into human behavior in the organization, which would include topics such as motivation, group dynamics, organizational culture, and change management, right? Because in every organization you will go, you will have to deal with these certain things. And lastly, it would be adaptability and resilience. So management courses, not just this one, but all the management courses often emphasize on the ability to adapt to the change, because business world is dynamic and every now and then there is a change happening. So that is what would be the focus while teaching you the course, that you gain to learn about adaptability and how to do it, how to navigate uncertainty, right? And cultivate resilience in the business environment. So that would be the output of the course when you'll be finishing up this course. And lastly, this is the chart of how each block is distributed across. Like block 1 would include 3 chapters, which are management and overview, roles of managers, management and its evolution. Block 2 and 3 basically focus on the functions of management, which are planning, organizing, staffing and directing, controlling, leading and motivating, and decision making. And block 4 is more focusing on the organization, like organization structure and design, how the communication process flows in an organization, the culture of the organization, how one can manage the change in an organization, and the most important thing, social responsibility, right? Corporate social responsibility and the ethics in an organization. So this is how the whole course will flow with what you'll gain out of the course. Now I hope to see you in the upcoming videos as we will proceed with the unit 1 of block 1, management and overview. Thank you. Happy learning.